Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the detailed review of HP Chromebook x360 AMD version. Let's start from the build quality. The build quality is quite decent considering the price. The laptop is light and portable, which makes it easy to carry around. It's a fanless design. I didn't feel it would be a great deal, but it makes a huge difference in overall experience. For starters, there is no fan noise, and SP did a great job with the heatsink, as the laptop hardly gets heated up while performing the basic day-to-day tasks. Let's talk about the performance. This is obviously not a gaming laptop. The performance is good for the target audience, and moreover, it's a value for money laptop. Now let's come to speakers. Speakers are loud and gets the job done. Hinge is sturdy enough और आपको पूरा confidence देगा while you are converting it to tablet mode. Now let's talk about one of the USPs of this laptop. It's convertible. It's one of the key factors while users will be buying this laptop. हालांकि मैं इस लैपटॉप मोड में यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, probably because मुझे टैबलेट मोड का कोई यूज़ नहीं है. For students who have a smaller desk, the tent mode will be very handy for them, and they can watch movies or attend lectures, and there will be plenty of space to keep a notebook and make notes. Now let's come to the touchscreen. Touchscreen is responsive and Chrome OS responds well to the touch gestures. Although I wish screen was full HD and viewing angles could have been better. आपको screen को adjust करना पड़ेगा to get the best viewing angles and as per your requirement. Now let's go to battery life. Battery life is hands down one of the best I have experienced. You can easily get more than 7 hours. So you don't have to carry your charging brick if you are carrying your laptop to work or classes. You can even charge the laptop with a lower powered Type-C phone chargers, which I think is great. This laptop comes with 2 Type-C ports, 1 Type-A port, and a headphone jack. You can find 1 Type-C port on both the sides and a Type-A port on the right side. Now let's talk about backlit keyboard, one of the reasons why I bought this laptop. I had opted for this laptop mainly because of this feature over a full HD screen of a Asus Chromebook. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं या फ्रीलांसर हैं तो आपके लिए this feature would be a lifesaver. I do my work mainly at night and I could do it without disturbing anyone just because of this backlit keyboard. Now let's talk about the soul of this laptop, Chrome OS. One of the key reasons I was inclined towards buying this laptop was the Chrome OS. The OS is light and crisp. It supports almost all the Android apps, and the overall UI is fresh. The integration of Google Apps is pretty neat and is the core part of the OS. You will get basic apps like File Manager, Photos, Sheets, Docs, Play Store, etc. Now let's talk about the negative aspects of this laptop. Number 1 would be HD screen. I wish it was a full HD screen. And the MS Office is available only online. You won't be getting any apps for it. It needs internet to access MS Office to edit your documents or create new ones. I believe in this era, everyone has an internet access and it won't be a deal breaker. Now let's come to the verdict. As per my opinion, the laptop is great for students, freelancers, and light users. And if your budget is around 30k, then you should definitely consider this laptop. If you would like to buy the laptop, the link is given in the description below.